Hello everyone. If you are an NHS doctor and earning anywhere between 50 to 100,000 pounds per year but still not sure about how to manage your money, then this video is for you. Now, if you are wondering, is 50 to 100,000 pound a good income in the UK or not? Let me share some statistics. Median average UK income is 33,280 pounds per year. In the UK, the top 10% of earners make an annual personal income of over 59,200 pounds. To be in the top 5% earners in the UK, you need an annual income of over 82,200 pounds or more. To be in the top 1% of earners in the UK, you need to earn more than 181,000 annually. So you can see that between 50 to 100,000 pound, this segment includes the top 5 to 10% of UK earners. I myself have spent the last 8 years of my life in this income bracket and very recently moved to the 100,000 plus range. So in this video, I am going to share my own money management strategies which you may find helpful. If you are new to this channel, hello, my name is Suman. Originally from India, I am currently working as an NHS consultant in respiratory medicine. In this channel, I make videos about UK medical career for international medical graduates and managing your own life and your finances while you grow in your career in the UK. We doctors are known to be really bad when it comes to managing your money because most of us are not interested in this topic and we think we can pay someone who will manage our money for us. But over the years, I have realized that it's important to take control and ownership of your finances and of course take help from professionals when you need it. If you agree with this idea, then please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I am going to talk about some strategies which can help you optimize your finances and also help you grow your net worth over the time. The first one is spend less than you earn. As your income increases, one of the most difficult things is to manage your lifestyle inflation. So you should be careful about your spending habits and please don't spend more than what you earn. Now this seems so commonsensical that how can you spend more money than you earn, but it's actually quite easy to live a rich life on borrowed money. Think about credit cards, buy now, pay later schemes, zero interest loans. All of these schemes are designed to help you spend the money that you don't have. Also, they might tempt you to buy a costlier stuff which you don't really need. As a rule, I don't buy any item unless I have twice the amount in my current account. For example, I want to buy a mobile phone which costs 500 pounds. In that case, I will ensure that I have 1000 pounds of disposable income in my bank account. So I will now go ahead and buy the phone using a credit card or buy now pay later scheme and pay off the amount in full when it's due for me to pay the money. In that case, I am also earning some extra interest from the cost of the phone which lies in my savings account. But eventually not paying anything extra to the lending company for taking out a credit card or buy now pay later loan. Number two is pay yourself first. We as doctors are busy professionals and have our own careers, our exams, and so many other things to worry about. It's not always easy to remember to save, invest, and budget for these expenses. The solution to this is to automate most of your savings and investing decisions. Please don't wait till the end of the month after spending all you have and then invest the residual money. Rather, set up a direct debit from your current account as soon as you receive the salary, and then this money goes to your investing account and stays there. For majority of us and for most investment, the investment account will be an ISA account unless you reach a limit of £20,000 in a financial year. Make sure you have 3 to 6 months of your expenses as emergency fund as the first step of your savings as well as your investment journey. Number 3 is optimize for taxes. Tax savings for hospital doctors is actually quite simple, and you don't need to pay an accountant for this kind of services. Make sure you are claiming for the professional expenses online through the HMRC personal tax account. Things are slightly more complicated for GPs or locum doctors. Please make sure in that case use an professional help from an accountant for optimizing your tax returns. Number 4 is insurance. Insurance or protection from the unexpected events in your life is a very important thing in your financial journey. Life insurance, critical illness cover, and income protection are the usual covers which are recommended, but I would at least advise for the term life insurance cover. The cover that you need is based on the number of dependent, and this needs to be increased when your family grows. For example, if you have more children, then you need to adjust your term life insurance cover accordingly. Once all of these basics are sorted, then move on to investment. Now, the commonest question that I see on most forum is which platform to use, which stock to buy, how to research for companies, how to analyze profit and loss statement for businesses, which course to attend to learn stock market investing. Trust me, my friend, you don't need to know all of this to start your investment journey. All you need to do is to open an ISA account in one of the online platforms where the fees is low or even absent. If you want to learn about the platforms, then I will leave a link to Boring Money website where you can learn about comparison of different providers for ISA, and then start buying a global index regularly every month in your ISA account. If you are not even sure about doing this, then just use the ready-made portfolio of that platform and start your regular investment. If you want to learn more about this, then you can watch my video about how I manage my own investment as a part of ISA, and I will leave the link to the video in the description box below. Remember, this is not a financial advice and you may lose your money in the equity markets. Your capital is at risk. So please do your due diligence and understand where you're putting your money. With investment, there comes a certain associated risk. And that brings me to my next point: reduce your risk by diversification. Please remember to diversify your investment across asset class as well as across the geography. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as they say it. Choose from variety of asset class like equity, bond, cash, commodities like gold and silver, and real estate. You can include crypto, but remember crypto is not part of ISA unless they start the crypto ETFs, which we are all waiting for. Most ready-made portfolio can do this for you across equity classes. Now, my advice at this stage will be don't worry too much about the returns from the investment. Focus on building a large investment portfolio of at least more than £100,000. Once your investment corpus grows, then you can learn about investment and learn about taking more risk to get a bit more extra return or alpha as they call it. In that case, if you have a bigger portfolio, generating even 1 or 2% extra will make a lot of difference to your overall net worth. Next point is pensions. NHS pension should be an important part of your overall wealth and tax savings strategy. If you really hate saving for your future for pension, then consider even using a salary sacrifice scheme like getting a car lease, etc. But don't opt out of pension. This becomes more and more important once your income approaches £100,000, as you really want to avoid getting into the 60% tax trap. Remember, your money is better off with you in a pension pot or SIP account rather than with HMRC. Number 8 is make serious effort to increase your income at this stage. Consider doing some locums, think about starting a side hustle, or even start a small business. It's really easy to start small businesses, for example, this YouTube channel, where you don't need much investment at the beginning but need a lot of your free time. And eventually, this can generate a regular cash flow for you. You can do this as a sole trader and don't pay any tax on the first £1,000 of your profits. Whereas if you earn £1,000 by doing locum in a hospital, then you will be paying more than 50% of that money as a tax. It's really important to keep monitoring and reviewing your investment plan as per your changing circumstances in your life. Consider getting a professional financial advice if you are not confident about doing this. But most importantly, stick with the habit of regular investing for a long term and grow your wealth substantially. Please check out this video about my ISA investment for 2024 if you want to know about where am I investing my money. Thank you for watching. See you next time.